Hello, lovely soul. Ayan, welcome back po sa aking channel. Tatlong rason kung bakit ina-isolate ng Panginoon yung mga chosen ones. Okay? So, kaya kung ikaw ay chosen ones, okay, kung ikaw ay tinawag ng Panginoon, kailangan marinig mo ito para ma-unlock mo na kung ano man yung gifts, yung regalo na inilagay sa'yo ng Panginoon. O para magkaroon ka ng peace in the midst of your confusion in your life. Okay? Para magkaroon ka ng kapayapaan. Okay? Sa buhay mo. Kung nako-confuse ka. Okay? Ayon po sa Biblia, God isolate people to set them apart. So, ibig sabihin, ibinubukod ka, hinihiwalay ka, okay? Or inihiwalay ka, okay? Isolation is the mother of greatness. So, yung mga great names sa Bible, okay, they are constructed, o yung mga great names, they are constructed in isolation. Okay po, lovely soul? So, ang isolation po is hindi siya parusa. Okay? So, the first reason why God isolate the chosen one is because ipiniprepare ka. Okay? Ipiniprepare ka ng Panginoon doon sa assignment na ibinigay niya sa'yo. Okay? Kasi, ire-represent mo si God. So, kaya ka ina-isolate kasi gusto ni God is prepared ka. Dahil ire-represent mo siya doon sa assignment na ibinigay niya sa'yo. And kaya ka ina-isolate kasi i-reveal niya sa'yo kung ano man yung gifts, yung regalo na ibinigay niya sa'yo. Okay? So, the second reason why the chosen ones are being isolated is because God wants to capacitate you. Okay? God wants to capacitate the chosen one. So, ginagawa kang mahusay ng Panginoon doon sa regalo, sa gifts na ibinigay niya sa'yo. Okay? Dahil, syempre, kapag ire-represent mo siya, so kailangan maging mahusay ka. Okay po, lovely soul? And when God capacitate you, you will start having different encounters with the divine. Okay? Magkakaroon ka ng iba-ibang encounters with God. Okay? And the third reason why God isolate the chosen one is because God wants to elevate you. Okay? So, gusto ng Panginoon is itaas ka. Okay? Pero, bago ka itaas ng Panginoon, before God elevated you, kailangan maintindihan mo muna. You have to fully understand, okay, the revelation of your isolation. Okay po, lovely soul? So, the longer you stay in the isolation, because God wants to reveal certain things to you. Okay? So, the longer you stay in the isolation, God will reveal to you, okay, yung mga certain things about your gifts. Okay po, lovely soul. Dahil kapag natapos na yung isolation mo, you will be in next level of your life. You will come out from your isolation with greatness. Okay? You will become in different level of your life. Okay po, lovely soul? So, kaya kapag tinawag ka ng Panginoon, if you are chosen one, kailangan gawin mo yung assignment mo. Kasi kapag tinawag ka ng Panginoon, hindi lang naman ito para sa'yo. This is not all about you. This is also about the person, yung mga para rin ito doon sa mga taong matutulungan mo, okay? So, para rin ito doon sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. Okay po, lovely soul? So, kaya kailangan kapag tinawag ka ng Panginoon is gawin mo. Okay po? And kaya ka ipiniprepare ng Panginoon, kaya ka kinakapacitate para maging mahusay ka, and itataas ka ng Panginoon. Okay? So, yun yung tatlong reason kung bakit ina-isolate ng Panginoon yung mga chosen ones. Okay? So, am I being isolated? Because I am being prepared, I am being capacitated, and I am being elevated by God. Okay po, lovely soul? And you can be isolated kahit na nasa trabaho ka. Hindi lang yung, kasi yung iba iniisip na or may sariling understanding ng isolation na ipapadala ka sa mountain. Okay? Katulad ko, ina-isolate ako, pero nagtatrabaho pa rin ako as an OFW. Or you can be isolated in your, sa bahay mo lang. Okay, lovely soul? So, after the isolation, you will be in the next level of your life. Okay po? So, and sa isolation po is mababago yung appetite mo. Okay? Mababago yung appetite mo sa pagkain. Okay? O yung mga dati mong ginagawa, mababago din yun. Yung mga dating gustong-gusto mong gawin, biglang nababago. Yung mga tao na gusto mong kasama, naiiba rin. Kasi you will be in the next level of your life. Okay po, lovely soul? After ng isolation mo. So, yun po, tatlong reason kung bakit ina-isolate ni God yung chosen ones is you are being prepared, you are being capacitated, and you are being elevated. Okay? So, yun lamang po, lovely soul. Thank you for watching. God bless and I love you.